Well, I'm back with more DIY bodyworks and wellness tips, and as always, I love to feature my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It. It is a DIY self-massage, acupressure, reflexology, wealth-flex-ology journal recorder, and today I'm going to continue focusing on the central nervous system and the digestive system, and I'm actually going to just touch on two areas, and those areas would be the spine and the stomach. But I wanted to also share with you some of what I use, and I featured some of these in other videos, what I use to support my central nervous system and also my digestive system. So we have these herbal teas, and sharing two of them, and one is the lemon balm, and it calms the nervous system and supports digestion, and then also ginger peach turmeric tea. This one is really good also for the digestive system. Also, I use a probiotic, and that supports the intestinal tract, but also that supports the digestion. Then this is one that I've used before I actually started using the extract that I'm going to show you, but this is for the central nervous system, and it works really good as well. And then skull cap is the liquid extract that I use. Extracts tend to work better with my body than pills, so this is what I most frequent, but I actually started with this one, and it does work well. So something else that's really good to use is a tongue cleaner, and this is great, especially it helps to aid in better digestion, because our mouth is part of the digestive system, and so when you can clean your tongue and help to release all that's trapped within what we ingest, so to speak, it's just amazing benefits, and you can actually get these in packs, but just wanted to be able to show and share these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my left foot here, and I'm going to go up the spine, because the spine is part of the central nervous system. Go up the spine, and I'll actually work the face as well, because the big toe, because it has the brain, it has the face, those functionalities, and then we'll work on the digestive system, but just the stomach, and the stomach is found on the left foot. And so I'm going to work, right in this area. So give me just a moment. I'm going to switch hands here so that I can better show you. So I'm going to just worm walk up the spine area here. Yeah, just go up there. And it's good to go up, a few times. So I'm going to walk it again here. Just doing a short demonstration. Of course, you can spend longer on this area. And then right in here is the brain. So you want to work that brain. I always encourage, go with the guidance of how long to stay, but I typically say if you want to work an area, work it for about 60 seconds at a minimum. I'm just working the brain. This is the pineal gland here, the pituitary gland, the mouth is right in here, and then the neck is right in here, and that's the nose. So you can just work with circles. I like to hold in the pineal gland area and take a deep breath. And then the same with the pituitary. Hold and take a deep breath. And just just work it, work the neck some. Then we're going to come right here, and this section here is where we find the stomach, and so I always encourage to work it in one direction and come to right under the fourth toe, and then curve under, and then come around. You don't want to work in this area, that's the pancreas. So just work here, just work it in one area, because you don't want to back your stomach up, and just come around. And so again, we work the spine and the brain, the face area, and that supports the central nervous system. And then we worked the stomach, and that obviously supports the digestive system. So I'm just gonna show you again what I share with you today. And as I always provide a disclaimer that when I'm sharing certain products, I'm not trying to promote any particular brand. I'm just sharing what has worked well for me. And so you have to check in with your body and also with your physician. So I'm going to come over here to the journal recorder, and I always use this as a model. And so my favorite section to come in is the journal section, because that's the time where you record your reflections and is explore, experience, and enhance. So what did we explore today? So I touched myself by doing, we explored the central nervous system and digestive system, and we explored or touched ourselves, or touched myself, so to speak, going up the spine and working the stomach. And then I can record, how I feel, how I felt, during the process. And as always, when I am doing DIY body work, I'm always getting immediate benefits that end up carrying over. It's just amazing. And so my results or benefits were, on the onset, I felt great as I started, and always excited about what I'm going to feel as the day progresses. So here's another area. We're just continuing to take notes. So I just wanted to share that with you, and you can secure a copy of I Touch Myself and I Like It on Amazon, but I'll have a link below in the description. So I hope that this was helpful for you, and I always enjoy bringing tips to you and just showing you little simple techniques that are very non-intimidating for getting started with DIY body work, or just continuing what you're doing if you're not familiar with those areas. So I look forward to bringing you more videos soon.